This is the practice test for measurements. Here we're looking at problem number 6. And the problem says 4.2 kilometers is equal to how many meters? So we are converting between kilometers and meters. And these are two metric units. And whenever we're converting between two metric units, we are going to go to our formula sheet, and down in the lower left hand corner we have conversions between the different metric units, and I've taken that little section here and put it back up here on this problem. And we have the basic units in the center: meters, grams, and liters. And the way we use the table is we find the unit that we're given in the problem, and then we move to the one we want to convert to. And the number of places we need to move in the table is the number of places we move the decimal point in the problem. So we are given 4.2 kilometers, and we have kilo over here, kilometers, and we want to move to meters, and meters is the basic unit in the center. And to move to meters, we're going to move 1, 2, 3 places to the right, which means I need to move my decimal point 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to have to put 2 zeros on the right hand side. So the decimal point was originally between the 4 and the 2, and I moved 3 places to the right. 1, 2, 3. 4.2 kilometers is equal to 4,200 meters. And that would be letter A in this problem.